Hey guys, Carrie Clark here, and we are getting down to the very end of the school year. If you are starting to feel overwhelmed and stressed out and maybe like you're not going to make it through, then I hope that you can join us for a free live event. This is going to be on Monday, April 6th at 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, so that's Chicago time. And we're going to be talking about some really quick and easy tricks that you can use to help you survive the end of your school year as a speech language pathologist or speech language pathology assistant. So we're going to be talking about how to plan and prep for those group sessions that are driving you nuts. We're going to be talking about how to manage those end of the year behaviors, because we all know they're escalating those behaviors right now. And then we're also going to be talking about some quick shortcuts that you can use to get all of your end of the year admin tasks done. So whether it's your progress notes, your data collection, your sending homework packets home, whatever it is you need to do to wrap up your school year, I'm going to give you all of the strategies and all of the tools that you need in order to wrap up this school year and survive and actually maybe feel like you did a great job, because you are doing a great job. And this time of year is super hard. So I hope you can give us 30 minutes to just hang out, listen to some great strategies. I've got a cool surprise for you guys at the end as well. So come hang out, come join us. It's free. All you have to do is just create a username and password if you don't already have one, but there's no strings attached. It's not going to charge you later. It's just a straight up free event that we're going to get together, have some fun, share some strategies, and hopefully it will make the rest of your school year just that much better.